In this video, we are going to learn the A natural minor or the A minor scale. We are going to do 5 patterns in this. Starting from the first pattern, let me just do a small demo and then we can break it down. Now the A minor scale will, we are doing an exercise in which we are doing 3 notes per string. So we'll start from the low E on the 5th fret, and this is what it sounds like. Let's break it down. You play 5, 7, 8 on the 6th string. Same thing on the 5th string, 5, 7, 8. With your first, third, and fourth finger. So this is what it sounds like. 1, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. So on the fourth string, you play 5, 7 with your first and third finger. On the third string, you play 4, 5, 7 with your first, second, and fourth finger. On the second string, you play 5, 6, 8 with your first, second, fourth finger. And on the last string, you play 5, 7, 8 with your first, third, and fourth finger. And then you do the reverse. Let's do that again slowly. 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 8, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5, 6, 8, 5, 7, 8. This is the A natural minor chord. This was the first position. Let's go to the second position now. Now, the second position, you can also call it a mode, because we are basically playing the same scale but starting from the second note of the scale. So instead of playing, we are doing, so instead of, say, for example, we are doing, so it's a different mode of the scale, and this is what it sounds like. This is the second position, A minor, starting from the top string. So it starts from the B note, which is the 7th fret of the E string. Let's break it down. 7, 8, 10 with the first, second, and fourth finger. Same thing on the second string with your first, second, and fourth fingers. So on the fourth string, you're going to play first finger, you're going to play 7, 9, 10. Same thing on the fourth string. Same thing on the third string, I'm sorry. So, finger numbers would be from the top. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, starting from 7. And then, on the second string, you play, which is 8, 10. 8, 10 with your second and fourth finger. And on the last and the first thin E string, you play 7, 8, 10 with your first, second, and fourth finger. So once again, slowly. This was position number 2. Let's go to the third position, position number 3. Now the next position that we are doing, it starts on the 10th fret. This is what it looks like and sounds like. Let's play it again and slowly break it down afterward. This is also called the Dorian mode. This would be a D Dorian in the scale of C major. So let's break it down. We have skipped the scale that starts from the 8th fret because it will become a C major scale and will no longer remain a A natural minor. And because the sound totally changes, we are going to go to the next one. This one. So it starts on 10. 10th fret of the 6th string, 10, 12, 13 with your first, third, fourth. Then 10, 12 with your first and third. Then you play 9, 10, 12 with your first, second, fourth. Again 9, 10, 12 with your first, second, fourth. Then 10, 12, 13 with your first, third, fourth. Same two strings we are playing in the same frets and fingers. Fret number 9, 12, 10, 12, 13, 10, 12, 13 on E as well. So this is what it sounds like and looks like. Let's go to the next one. This is pattern number 4. It starts on the 12th fret for the A minor scale. This starts with an E note. It would also be called a Phrygian mode in the E, in the scale of A minor or C major. This is what it sounds and looks like. So let's break it down slowly. If you notice, this is one of the few scales where immediately the second note after the first note will come in the scale. So 12, 13, 15 on the 6th string. 12, 14, 15 on the 5th string. Now if you see, the notes with stars on them are the root note, which is the A note. And of course, every scale is not going to start with the root note. That's why they are called modes of the same scale. So 12, 13, 15 with the first, second and fourth finger. First, third and fourth finger once again. On the 12th, 14 and 15. Then on the 4th string, it's again 12, 14, 15. Then 12, 14 on the 3rd string with your first and third finger. Then 12, 13, 15 with your first, second and fourth finger on the 2nd string. And 10, 12, 13, 15 on the 1st string again with your first, second and fourth finger. So slowly, if I play it. This is what it sounds like and looks like. Let's go to pattern number 5. Now you can either play this starting on the 15th fret, or as we already know that this same note is the same note on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So this would be your pattern and mode number 5. This is what it sounds and looks like. Let's break that down. This is what the scale sounds like, and this is the 5th position, as we know. Now it starts from the 6th string, 3rd fret, 3, 5 with your 2nd and 4th finger. Then 5th string, 2, 3, 5 with your 1st, 2nd and 4th finger. So this is the fourth string, second, third and fifth fret. So with your first, second and fourth finger. Then on the third string we play 1, 3, 4 with your first, third and fourth finger. Then we go to 3, 5, 6 on the second string with your first, third and fourth finger. And then on the first string, the thin E string, we play 3 and 5 with your first and third finger. This scale is also called the mixolydian mode. In this, the second note is the root, which is A minor, and it is technically a G mixolydian scale. Let's break it down again. So 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, and repeat and go back reverse. So all these scales you can play, all these patterns are very useful when you try to solo over another chord progression, or if you're just exercising your finger positions, your left and right hand coordination. You can also make a lot of melodies using these scales. For example, if we take the first scale, which is the natural minor. You could make a melody, a very basic melody, playing just about random notes, but thinking which one would sound better with the next one. So say, we can also try and improvise it by playing any random bunch of notes. So this is what it will sound like. Similarly, if you take a different scale, say pattern number 5, these are the notes. So an improvisation or taking some notes from here and there and playing them together would sound like this. Anything like that, just to practice. Eventually, say if you keep practicing, your melodies will start becoming better and more melodious. Another way of targeting this would be to go to any scale, say the second scale, and we do runs on like 2s or 3s or 4s. So for example, if you are doing this one scale, and right now doing the second pattern, you could do it in triplets.